Construction has commenced. Follow me for a walkthrough. We're right here in the middle of a construction site at the moment. We've stripped this place right back to bare bones. Construction of the walls has started to happen again. That framing's happened. All the engineering work has been completed. Once all that's done, we'll get flooring down and the showcases will start to turn up, and that's when the magic really starts to happen. So right now I'm standing within the workshop. We're actually going to have this big window. So from the showroom, you can see us working on our benches right here. So we're actually going to have natural light coming through from Riley Street here. It's really important to have natural light in the workshop as we're able to see exactly what we're sort of working on. But more importantly, our clients will actually be able to see us working from the street. So as you can see, very much a construction site at the moment. We'll keep you posted as we move through this process, and I'm very excited to show you the next stages.